Did you know that with a single dose per day of what I'm going to tell you here, you can make your penis harder and have a healthier life? Stay with me until the end of this video, because in this video, I will reveal a secret recipe from urologists that will improve your erection and, on top of that, help you last much longer in bed. I will also provide you with the exact dosages. If you're struggling with your erections or suffering from erectile dysfunction, then this video is a gift for you. Erectile dysfunction, ED, also known as impotence. There are many myths and a sense of shame surrounding this topic. Usually patients look for alternative treatments online instead of seeking professional help, mainly due to embarrassment, misinformation, and even self-prescribed treatments. Online, you will find everything from sprays and videos to questionable advice. However, what we know in clinical practice is that the tried and true tent methods used in urology consultations yield great results for over 90% of the patients, especially when it comes to restoring their sexual well-being, boosting self-esteem, and improving sexual relationships in a pleasurable way. It's very common for patients to come to us looking for a fantastic solution, something that can really address their issue of making their penis harder and treating erectile dysfunction in a simple way. They're searching for a sort of miracle solution. That's why we've managed to develop a shot, a dose that you can take, to provide good results for your erection, achieving a more satisfactory erection and a harder penis. We've developed this dose in combination with other factors to provide excellent results for you. This secret recipe is often used in urology clinics, which even some patients have recommended to me, involves combining specific medications. This approach has proven to be highly effective. That's why I've decided to share it with you. So, what is the secret of this recipe? It involves combining a medication that helps to open up the arteries in the penis, allowing more blood to flow in, alongside another medication to address the psychological aspect, particularly anxiety. Many patients face a mental block during sex due to nervousness, which releases adrenaline at the wrong time, making it difficult to perform. Thus, the psychological barrier must be addressed. 'Cause for some patients, the problem isn't purely physical, it's also psychogenic, meaning their anxiety or stress hinders their sexual function. That's why it's important to combine medication to relax the mind and also medication to support the physical aspect of erectile function. There's a popular myth that claims there's not enough blood in the body for both the brain, the top head, and the penis, the lower head, to function properly at the same time. The idea is that to have a good erection, you need to turn off the brain, meaning the mental focus must be reduced for the physical function to succeed. Well, you might agree that when men are in love or excited, they often act without thinking, sometimes leading to regret. The same logic applies to sexual performance. It's crucial for the mind to be relaxed to achieve a satisfying erection. So, the key is not to overthink. Keeping this in mind, and based on these observations, urologists have realized that combining two medications, one to manage anxiety and another to enhance blood flow, creates an ideal treatment. By only prescribing one type of medication, for example, a medication for anxiety alone, the patient might feel calmer but still have difficulty performing due to lack of sexual desire or erectile firmness. On the other hand, just focusing on erectile function might make the penis too stiff or overly sensitive, leading to rapid ejaculation or other complications. Therefore, combining the two is optimal. What else can we do to improve this effect? Well, we know that for blood to reach the penis properly, the body needs to release nitric oxide, a substance that helps relax the blood vessels. There are several studies that show certain medications and substances can enhance the effects of ED treatments like Tadalafil, improving their clinical effectiveness. In practice, urologists also use certain supplements and compounds to facilitate this process. For example, one amino acid is key to helping blood flow and improving erection quality, and that's where the secret recipe comes in. Okay, so first ingredient is a PDE5 inhibitor called Tadalafil. Why Tadalafil? Because it helps increase the caliber of the penis and the blood flow, which is crucial. However, we'll ensure it's at a safe dose, one that won't pose any cardiovascular risks or cause other health issues. Many people are concerned about taking medication without medical guidance. They worry about their heart, for example, or whether they're putting themselves at risk even when consulting a specialized urologist. So, they seek a safe medication and a safe dose. Here, we'll provide just that. The typical dose is between 5 mg to 10 mg, depending on the degree of erectile dysfunction (ED) and the patient's specific needs. Also, Tadalafil works by increasing the nitric oxide levels in the body, which facilitates better blood circulation to the penis. Second one is a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor called Paroxetine, used to manage anxiety, which is often a contributing factor to erectile dysfunction. It can also help delay ejaculation. The typical dose for Paroxetine is between 10 mg to 40 mg per day. This medication is commonly prescribed for anxiety and has minimal interference with libido, which makes it ideal for this purpose. The third ingredient is L-Arginine, which helps enhance the effects of Tadalafil. L-Arginine increases the availability of nitric oxide, which plays a critical role in vasodilation. In simpler terms, it helps open the blood vessels, allowing Tadalafil to work more effectively, ensuring a stronger and more rigid erection. L-Arginine also contributes to overall blood flow improvement, which is beneficial not just for erectile function, but for cardiovascular health overall. Although it can be obtained from diet, the typical dietary intake of L-Arginine is not enough to achieve optimal effects, which is why it is used as a supplement. The recommended dose is between 1 to 2 grams per day. The combination of these three components, Tadalafil for erectile function, Paroxetine for anxiety, and L-Arginine to enhance blood flow, works synergistically to provide better results with minimal side effects. This combination is effective for most patients, addressing both the physical and psychological aspects of erectile dysfunction. These medications together have a low risk of side effects, and they work well for a majority of patients. However, it's important to consult with a doctor before starting any medication regimen to ensure it's the right treatment for your specific needs. If you liked this video and want to hear about more alternatives or other options for a more active and healthy sexual life, feel free to comment on what you've already tried, what you want to learn more about, and I will make more videos and respond to your questions as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.